Hello folks, hope everyone is being well and being safe. This is TEK-NANA, and what we have here is another disassembly reassembly video. This time is going to be with the Glock, and particularly a Glock 17. Last time on our first video we did an M&P9. And I showed you a comparison of an M&P9 and an M&P9 long, and the modifications that was done on that one, and the potentials of these firearms and the modifications that you can do to them. This one in particular is my brother's. It's a Gen 4, and he has some stippling that I did for him. Feels really good compared to the stock stippling. This is a Gen 4 version. Also did it up here for where the thumbprints are at. The thumb and finger go. So if you're ever interested in any of these services, just reach out. But enough of the small talk. Let's get right to it and show you how to field strip a Glock 17 amongst all the other Glocks that they have available. They're all pretty much the same. Alright, first things first, you want to make sure you clear the firearm. Sure there's no ammo. Remove the magazine. Like I mentioned before, just like in any other video on the M&P9, this video is a regular field strip disassembly and reassembly. It's mainly towards showing the new gun owners that have no idea, but just make sure you read your manual, and but this will help you out as you're going along, because it'll show you exactly where to after you cleaned your handgun, all the points of where to do all the lubrication. Alright, so you make sure no magazine, took it out, pull it back, stick it in there if you want, lock it so you could look really good. Nothing inside there. You know the mag's out. Alright. Pull the trigger. Now you want to grip the firearm. Keep your palm inside the well like you normally do as you get ready to grip it to shoot. But instead you want to bring your fingers over. You want to bring your fingers over and put some tension on your slide. Alright? Because you're going to pull the slide back a little bit. And with your other hand, you want to grab these tabs. It's on both sides. Alright? With both fingers. You're going to pull them downward. But when you pull them downward, you want to pull them downward when you take off the tension. Because this is your slide lock. And your slide has tension on, but this pin goes straight across. So you want to put your slide to the rear, put your pins down, and then let the slide go forward. And now, voila. This is the frame. That's one component. And you got here the guide rod, the spring assembly. That's the second component, and this one, as you can see, is being cleaned and very well lubed. Barrel's lubed. Got the barrel, and you got the slide, and there you are. This is a field strip. Your 4 components. All right. The areas that you want to focus on cleaning, of course, you want to. This is just brief because this is just a disassembly reassembly, but you know, these are the areas that you want to lube, and the rails. Okay, a little here because the barrel slides back and forth. The barrel itself at these points, and a little thin coating on the barrel. I mean, this is all metal parts that you have here. So you want to lube all the areas where you got metal to metal contact and movement. Alright? Double check on your safety plunger. Make sure there's no friction, which it feels like a little bit of. I might have to take a peek in there later on. Alright, safety plunger. In here you don't want to be spraying. If you want to spray when you're cleaning, you want to point the slide downward so none of the chemicals go inside your firing pin and your striker assembly. So I think that's why it was acting up. Alright, so let's work towards, you know, here's the spring guide rod. You just wipe that down. There isn't much to do with it. Wipe it down, make sure it's clean. Here's the frame. Want to bring your brush in here, clean all these areas down, and you got your lubrication points. Alright, all of that is in your manual. We'll have a later video showing the actual cleaning process and the lubrication points. But let's move forward and reassemble it. I'm going to take your barrel, just like before, just like the M&P 9, same functionality when it shoots. Alright, just set it back in place. Same process. Set it in here. It's a little channel, a little groove in there, a curved groove. Take it, a little tension. There you go. Then you want to clean my fingers. Take and align the slide. Alright, bring it to the rear, all the way back, and there you go, you're reassembled. Let's do a quick function check. Pull the trigger, safe direction. Should automatically lock to the rear because you ain't got no ammo in there. Alright. And there you go. Glock 17. Just to show you quickly before signing out, I have also a, just like I did last time with the M&P, show you two different versions. I want to show you another one here. This is a Glock 19. This could be for folks who are thinking about purchasing their first handgun. And here you can at least see the difference in size. Folks like to have the Glock 19 for concealed carry. You can see how much smaller it is. You know, let me line it up right there. The Glock 19 is modified a little bit. You can see the difference in the sights. The 19 on the right has the stocks, and I gotta correct that. Yeah, the Glock 19 on the right has the stock sights, and the 17 has Trigicon sights. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do with these things. Also here, I'm gonna give you a little bonus too. If you're really thinking about buying a Glock and you're on the fence which one to get, voila, there's a third one. Glock 34. Glock 34 is mine. I always buy long guns because I like to, whenever I have an opportunity to do some tournament shooting, the preferred length is the longer one. So that's the Glock 34. Glock 34 is similar to the 17 in frame and everything, it's just longer. Whereas the 19, shorter all the way around, even the frame, more compact. And there you go, folks. And they all come apart the same way. The tab, pull it back. Alright? Alright guys, if you like it, and gals, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I'm going to try to get you as many videos as possible to help you out in making decisions or help you out in the process of assembling something, disassembling something, cleaning something, whatever it may be. I've watched enough videos that has helped me out. I figure let me contribute to the community as well. Okay, peace out folks.